Alright, today's the day I have to fix the mirror on my car. Long story short, we're driving on the parkway. R kicks a tire up, knocks my mirror out. So I have to take this piece out right here. You see the wiring for it. I gotta take that out. And I'm gonna replace it with this. So as soon as I finish replacing this, I'm gonna replace this and pop the mirror back in. All right, guys, let's check it out.
Like a 747, like a 747, like a 747.
Now, they wanted about $700 for this whole piece to be repaired, basically to paint it, prep it, and then to pop this piece out and pop a new one in. It was gonna cost me like $750. I bought the part online for like 228 bucks. The original part. And I had the mirror taken apart, like I'm showing you guys. And just like that, it's out. Now, one of the screws fell, so I'll get that. Alright, so there's the broken one. The bracket's cracked, as you guys can see. Here it is. Found the other piece we dropped, or I dropped. We didn't drop anything. You guys didn't drop anything. I did. And I'm gonna get this back on now and get this together. So we'll screw this back in. Lock the control in. Alright. That's in. And then I'm gonna line up my holes. And get busy with locking each screw in. There's a glare, guys, in my garage, so I'm having a hard time seeing the hole. But once I see it, I should be able to lock it in. If the camera dies, I will show you guys the finished product. Literally on fumes with the battery, but it's all good. It's not you guys' fault. So, locking all the screws in. Doing this as quickly as I can. We got to go to a race today in New York with Mod the Fame today. So that's the reason I'm making the fix on the mirror so that I can drive safely on the highway. I'm driving this thing in not so safe conditions, okay? That's one. Locking all the Allen pieces in. And this is the beams off. And it's a quick repair. Alright, that's locked in. We just lock them all in now. It's locked in. This is locked in. Alright guys, I gotta go grab the mirror itself and basically lock this that way. I want to strip it, so feels like it's in there pretty solid. Making sure my work is good as well. Alright, that's in. So there you got it, guys. We'll be right back. So further inspection shows you the cracking of the mirror. That's basically what happened. This is the bracket. I'll pop the screws back in, but this is the bracket that turns the mirror. I love my dealership. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, they treat me real good, but I'm not spending $750 to repair this. So I'm gonna show you guys the mirror, what I took apart. You're helping? Alright, I need you to turn this wrench, help a brother out. Can you do that? Alright, back to it, you guys. Again, I got the mirror piece in. Give you a little close up. She doesn't like how I screwed it on. So, what's up? You saying hi to the people? Tell them what's up. You want to be the star of the show? Yes, you do. Back to this mirror, y'all. Alright, I got 2 more steps. I got 3 wires here. The top wire, which is going to go to the top piece. And then I have the bottom wire, which is going to connect here. So here's the 2 terminals. As you guys can see, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to basically hook that in as best I can. Okay, so the mirror is definitely upside down. And here we go. So, I think I got to tighten these terminals because they're completely loose. I mean, tighten that with some pliers. All right, I am back with the right tool now, so let's try this again. All right, there it is. Okay, had to get some nose hair pliers and tighten these terminals because I guess when it came off, it just lost its integrity. So. Let's see how that works. The rug rack. Here we go. Nice and tight. It's a little loose for my liking. So grab these pliers. And now to tighten this here. Not too much pressure, just enough to get a bite down on this piece. So there we go. That's exactly what we wanted. Then we're going to pull this connect here. Right. All terminals are connected. Now we're going to gently press this, and this has to sit on all the 4 rounds. There it is. There you guys have it. I fixed my mirror. Now I gotta turn the car on and clean the mirror and test it out and let you guys know. You guys can see the mirror is fixed. Now all I gotta do is basically clean the mirror and make sure that the electronic controls of the mirror work, but at least we have a mirror, guys. $500 saved. So I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, get it ready for the race today. I have not had a mirror in almost a year, guys, so that's a little crazy that this is finally getting fixed. Garage definitely needs to get spruced up a little bit, but it's all good. Gonna get it cleaned up and get it ready to go. Hey guys, I didn't have to take this whole piece off and you know, replace it. I'll show you guys the part upstairs that basically I had this entire mirror and it was primer. It's just all primer. It wasn't even painted, and I would have had to have gotten that painted, take the entire door panel off on the inside, which, I mean, that's a pain in, man, and I'm not trying to sit here and take a whole door panel off. It's not difficult to do, but I'm just not trying to sit here and do all of that. And don't get me wrong, if it was necessary, I would do it, because I'm not paying someone $750 to take a door panel off and take a mirror out. I'm well capable of doing that myself. I have no problems with fixing my own car or doing my own things. I just want to make sure it's done properly, obviously. Anything mechanical, like engine work, I would talk to my dad first, or my pops, and see what they would have to say about it. I don't have experience in that department, but I will, so you guys will see. Got a little cleaning up to do before we get it out today. We're going to New York, upstate, to an airstrip to race. I'm probably gonna get my butt whooped because I'm all stock, but you know what? It's all about how you use the power that you have. So we'll see what kind of test I put her through today and if she could survive it. And then we got 2 more events for the year, and she's going bye-bye, guys. We're getting a new addition to the family. But I love this car. I'm not gonna lie, man. Love it. So that's that with the mirror repairs. You guys can see before there was no mirror. The bracket was broken. We took out we basically popped this out. This pops right out. This is nothing. You just pop this right out, and behind it is 3 Allen screws. There's also a center screw with a torque screw. You don't need to take that out. You just need to take out the 3 Allen screws. And once you unscrew them, the bracket pretty much comes out. You can unplug all the wires, and then you basically reapply a new bracket, put the mirror back in, make sure the wires are attached properly, and just pop the mirror back into the brackets that are sitting there. It's not hard at all. It's too bad that people who aren't, like, you know, or don't want to fix something like that would go and pay $750 for that. But they got the wrong guy here. I don't care how much money I have in life. I would never pay that much for something this simple. So there you go, guys. I'll show you the part upstairs, and that pretty much concludes the mirror. I got to clean it up, clean the car up, probably show a video of that, and that's that. All right. So here is the piece that I had purchased. Original OEM part. It's the mirror I was telling you guys. It's just all primer. Nothing special about it. I would have had to have gotten it painted. Here's the wire that would have had to have gone through the door panel, as you guys can see. This is the whole wire right here. So I would have had to had plug that in at some point when I take the door panel apart. But this is the broken bracket I was trying to show you guys again. What I did, I just popped it back in, just in case, you know, ever, or just keep it as, you know, whatever, memory. It's a pretty funny moment. Ooh, that popped back in, actually. I wasn't, is that fixed? Holy crap. Is that for real? I think I fixed it, guys. That's unbelievable. Crazy. That could be glued back and be perfectly functional. Yeah. It's wow. Alright, well, never mind then. If something ever happens to the new mirror that I popped on, I can just pretty much use this one as a backup or just keep it as a memory. But there you guys go. It's a repair. I could take it out and show you guys the part, but I feel like I already showed you what this little disc piece looks like with the plug attached. So as you guys can see, it's in. crack that's there is not really a factor anymore. It popped right back in place for whatever reason. And here's the wire, so I got to back up just in case, and that's that, guys. All right. So I will see you at the car show. I'll see you guys at the not car show, the race that we're going to go to in New York. And I'll catch you later. Laquan from the Supercar Twins. I'll see you guys later.